guys, Matthias or Horrible Boo here. Today I will be doing a review on this lovely looking Catwoman figure. No, I'm just kidding. Today I will be doing a review on the thing no haunt is complete without. The Gemmy eyeball doorbell. Got the two words mixed up. So, yeah, let's go by these categories. So the first one we have is detail. This has pretty darn good detail, like from the cracks in the paint to the eye, the metal eye, and to this metal which looks like actual metal but it's plastic. I mean, it looks like plastic on camera, but it looks pretty metal in person. And then the push to ring sign. Yeah, it's detail's amazing. So now on to animation. So let's see what this does.
Enter at your own risk.
So its animation is really good. It does something that I wish my crystal ball did. It closes just as it's talking, so I quite like that, so it, you know, the light doesn't turn off as its eyes open and stuff. As I said, I'm not big on servo sounds, but there's nothing they could do about that. But yeah, its animation is great. So, Tilly. So now onto durability. This thing is made of thin plastic, sadly. If it were to fall, it would probably be okay though. Like there would be a crack, but I'm pretty sure it would be fine. But yeah, it's seems okay with its durability, I guess. So now onto just some little not so great things about it. It's got this flimsy sort of thing right here, and yeah, I'm not too big on that because it could fall and break. And also, I'm not too big on the servo sounds, as I said. But really, that's all that's too bad about this thing. It's pretty good. It's worth the $10. I mean, $10 is like what you're getting here. So I'm gonna have to give this a 4 out of 5 boo points, because it's not 5 because of the servo sounds and the fact that it's got a not so great backing. I got this for $10, so it's good for the price. I had Tilly! Stop, please. So yeah, that was the Gemmy eyeball doorbell. Thanks for watching. See you later.